Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US NAHB Housing Market Index at 14 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 10 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 9 GMT. Japan's Tertiary Industry Index at 4:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil markets are set for a muted price reaction after US President Donald Trump's and Russian leader Vladimir Putin's meeting in Alaska, at which Trump said a fully fledged peace deal was the aim for Ukraine rather than a ceasefire. Gold prices held steady on Friday, but were notched a weekly loss after hot inflation data trimmed rate cut bets, while the market focus shifted to talks between US President Donald Trump and his Russian counterpart, Vladimir Putin. US retail sales increased solidly in July, supported by strong demand for motor vehicles, as well as promotions by Amazon.com and Walmart, though a softening labor market and higher goods prices could curb consumer spending growth in the third quarter.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.3% against the yen. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.